Have you ever pondered about the intricate relationship between the universe and life itself? It's a question that has boggled minds for centuries, sparking debates between philosophers, scientists, and theologians alike. But what if the answer lies not in opposing these disciplines, but rather in intertwining them? Welcome to a thought-provoking exploration that challenges the boundaries of conventional wisdom. We aim to delve into the awe-inspiring world of scientific phenomena, not just for the sake of knowledge, but to unravel the divine tapestry weaved by a force far beyond our comprehension, God. From the spiraling galaxies to the double helix structure of DNA, from the Fibonacci sequence in nature to the electromagnetic waves that permeate our existence, we'll delve into the heart of these phenomena, seeking the divine signature etched in each one. This journey of discovery might just alter your perception of life, science, and God, so buckle up and prepare to have your mind expanded. Science is often seen as a realm separate from spirituality, but what if they're inherently interconnected? Let's take a moment to explore this fascinating intersection. Picture the world around you, and let's dive into the intricacies that hold it together. Look at the atomic waves, those intricate patterns of energy that form the building blocks of our universe. Now consider water waves, rippling and flowing, a dance of energy that shapes our world. And then there are galaxies, vast cosmic structures that spin in the fabric of space. These are not just random acts of nature, but rather manifestations of a divine presence. This presence is what some may refer to as God, an energy being that breathes life into the lifeless. An omnipotent and omniscient force that's in all things, because electricity and magnetism, the very essence of energy, are in all things. Now let's turn our gaze towards a fascinating phenomenon, the double helix rollover halo wave. This is a pattern, a form, that appears time and again in the natural world. It's in the DNA that forms the blueprint of life, the Fibonacci spiral that defines the growth of ferns, and even the twisted filaments of galaxies far away. This pattern is everywhere, a common thread weaving through the tapestry of life and the universe. It's as if the entire cosmos is singing in harmony, each note a part of a magnificent symphony. And the conductor of this symphony? A divine engineer, an artist of energy and matter. The seemingly separate realms of science and spirituality are more interconnected than one might initially perceive. The laws of physics, the rhythms of nature, the patterns in the cosmos are all potential expressions of a divine presence. One could argue that the design of the universe is not just a random event, but a marvel of divine engineering. The universe's design, it seems, is not just a random event, but a marvel of divine engineering. Did you know that the foundation of life itself could be a mathematical expression? Life, as we know it, is a complex symphony of patterns and rhythms. These patterns are not random, they follow a certain order, a mathematical expression, if you will. Imagine if these mathematical expressions were the language of an omnipotent being, the creator of all life. Let's delve a little deeper into this thought. Consider the Fibonacci spiral, a simple mathematical sequence where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. Now, this isn't just a number sequence. It's a pattern that pervades all life. You can see it in the spiraling galaxies far out in space, the pattern of leaves on a stem, the intricate design of a seashell, even in the way a tornado twists and turns. It's a universal pattern, a divine signature that bridges the gap between the physical and the metaphysical, the tangible and the intangible. This spiral is an expression of energy, a mathematical language that speaks of a creator, an omnipotent being. It shows us that there is a grand design, an order in the seemingly chaotic universe. And this order, this divine pattern, is imprinted in all things, living and non-living, microscopic and cosmic. What if this pattern, this mathematical expression, is the language of God, the way the divine communicates with us, showing us that in all things there is a part of him, a divine spark. God is not just a concept, a belief, or a deity residing in celestial realms. God could be an energy being, a divine essence that gives life to lifeless matter. And this life, this energy, could be expressed mathematically in the form of a double helix spiral, a Fibonacci sequence, a divine pattern that pervades all life. In the language of mathematics, we find the divine signature of the Creator. Let's delve into the words of the Bible, where God's essence is described in a profound way. In the book of Habakkuk, chapter 3, verse 4, it's written, "He is as the light, and from his hand horns protrude, and this is the hiding of his power." This verse has been interpreted in myriad ways across centuries, but let's look at it through the lens of the themes we've been discussing. Consider the term light. In science, light is energy, and energy is the building block of all things. In this context, we can interpret "He is as the light" to mean that God is an energy being, the ultimate source of all life. This aligns perfectly with our earlier discussion of the double helix spirals found in all living and non-living things, suggesting a universal energetic blueprint. The verse continues with, "From his hand horns protrude." Now this may seem puzzling at first, but let's consider the symbolism of horns in biblical times. Horns represented power and authority. This could be seen as another way of saying that God's power, his energy, extends into everything. It's the driving force, the authority behind the formation and function of the universe. Finally, this is the hiding of his power could imply that God's energy is so inherent in everything around us, so deeply woven into the fabric of existence, that we often fail to recognize it. Just as we've discussed how the patterns of double helix spirals are present in everything from atomic waves to galaxies, God's energy is an integral part of the world, often unnoticed because of its ubiquity. The Bible not only speaks of God's spiritual essence, but also of his scientific essence. It's a fascinating intersection of faith and science where belief in a divine creator dovetails with observable scientific phenomena, and it's this convergence that makes the exploration of God's essence in all its dimensions such an intriguing journey. Now, having glimpsed the divine through the lens of science, what's next, you may ask? The journey, dear friend, is far from over. In fact, it is just beginning. There are over 700 videos waiting for you, each one a testament to the omnipresent and omnipotent energy that binds the universe together. They unravel the intricate connections between God, life, and the cosmos, providing a deeper understanding of the grandeur of creation. They take you on a captivating journey through the spiraling helices of DNA, the resonating waves of atoms, the swirling tendrils of galaxies, and the hidden Fibonacci sequence in nature's design. These videos are not simply a collection of scientific observations. They are a bridge spanning across time, space, and history to reach a profound understanding of the grand creator. They delve into the realm of the divine, using the language of science to interpret the sacred scriptures and reveal the energetic essence of God. This journey is not about your past or where you come from. It doesn't concern your skin color, your financial status, or your societal roles. It transcends the physical and material world, delving into the realm of the divine. It is about understanding that the Creator is not exclusive but universal. He is not confined by time, space, or history, but is the energy that pervades all things. This journey is about you and your relationship with the Creator. It is about expanding your perception, broadening your understanding, and deepening your faith. It is about realizing that amidst the complexity of the universe, there lies a simple truth, that all life is a mathematical expression of energy, a divine blueprint imprinted by a loving creator. So I invite you, embark on this journey, dive deep into these 700 videos. Let the mysteries of the universe unfold before you. Let this journey of discovery inspire you to reflect on your understanding of God, life, and the universe. Remember, all that truly matters is your belief in the Creator.